These facts highlight Mercury's unique characteristics and the ongoing scientific interest in studying this fascinating planet up close. Closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun in our solar system, located about 58 million kilometers, 36 million miles from the Sun. Orbital period and rotation. A year on Mercury, its orbital period, lasts about 88 Earth days, but a day on Mercury, its rotation period, lasts about 59 Earth days. This means Mercury rotates very slowly compared to its orbital motion. Extreme temperatures. Mercury experiences extreme temperature variations due to its proximity to the Sun. Surface temperatures can reach up to 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, on the side facing the Sun, and drop to -180 degrees Celsius, -290 degrees Fahrenheit, on the side facing away from the Sun. Thin atmosphere. Mercury has a fragile atmosphere, known as an exosphere, composed mainly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. The exosphere is so thin that molecules rarely collide with each other. Surface features. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, resembling the Moon's surface. It has vast plains, cliffs, and scarps, steep slopes caused by crustal deformation. Calorus Basin. One of the largest and most prominent features on Mercury's surface is the Calorus Basin, a significant impact crater about 1,550 kilometers, 960 miles in diameter. NASA's Mariner 10 spacecraft discovered it in 1974. Tenuous magnetic field. Mercury's magnetic field is weak, about 1% as strong as Earth's. This field is thought to be generated by a partially molten iron-nickel core. No moons or rings. Unlike other planets in our solar system, Mercury does not have moons or rings orbiting it. Messenger mission. NASA's Messenger spacecraft orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015, providing extensive data and images of the planet's surface, magnetic field, and composition. It helped scientists understand Mercury's geological history and internal structure. High density. Mercury is one of the densest planets in the solar system. It is composed primarily of silicate rock and a sizable iron-nickel core. Its high density suggests that it has a relatively large metallic core compared to its size. Ice deposits. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has regions near its poles that are permanently shadowed and contain water ice. This ice is likely delivered by comets and protected from the Sun's heat by the extreme cold of these shadowed regions. Retrograde rotation. Mercury's rotation is unique among the planets because it has a 3-2 spin-orbit resonance. This means it rotates 3 times on its axis for every 2 orbits around the Sun. This resonance is believed to have been caused early in its history by tidal interactions. Named after a Roman deity. Mercury is named after the Roman god of commerce, travel, and communication, which reflects its swift movement across the sky as seen from Earth. Transits. Mercury occasionally transits across the face of the Sun as seen from Earth, appearing as a small black dot moving slowly across the solar disk. These transits are rare and occur about 13 times per century. Impact history. Mercury's heavily cratered surface indicates a history of intense bombardment by asteroids and comets during the early solar system's formation. Exploration interest. Mercury remains a target of interest for future exploration due to its unique characteristics and potential to provide insights into planetary formation and evolution. Challenges of exploration. Exploring Mercury is challenging due to its proximity to the Sun, extreme temperatures, and the need for spacecraft to withstand solar radiation and gravitational forces. Surface composition. Mercury's surface primarily comprises silicate minerals like basalt and granite, similar to Earth's crust, but with a higher abundance of elements like magnesium and aluminum. Volcanic activity. Evidence from the Messenger mission suggests that Mercury experienced volcanic activity in the past, with volcanic plains and lava flows covering parts of its surface. Scientific mysteries. Many mysteries remain about Mercury, including the origin of its magnetic field, the nature of its core, and the presence of volatile elements despite its proximity to the Sun.